Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, MyDataVersion. In this video series, we are exploring Microsoft Excel's all its functional and functionalities. So in the previous video, we have seen sum, average, count, max, min. We have used formula and also learned how to automate this. So in this video, we are going to explore conditional formatting and to play with all the numbers. So let's get started. So here I have taken random names, random numbers. Here in the conditional formatting, we have few options. So if I go and highlight cell rules, we have greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains, data occurring, duplicate values. So first we will start with the first option. For that, we need to select the series. For example, I'm selecting right from number 1 to number 5. So if I will click on the greater than option, here I will pick 35 and let me choose some color. So for choosing some random color, we have an option called custom format. Click on it and click on that fill option. Then we have multiple colors. For example, I am selecting light blue. Click on OK. Click on OK, and you can see whichever number is greater than 35, that is 546, 57, 36, it got highlighted. Same thing if I want to take up the next row, and if I want to use the next option, that is less than, click on it. Select any random number. For example, I want less than 42, and I want to show this number with that would be fine, I think. Yeah, click on OK. So less than 42, that is only one number, that is 36. We have many options, like if we want to make a range, so we have an option called between. So when you will click on it, you need to select two numbers. For example, I want to highlight range between 58 or I would say 53, the smaller one, and here 238. I will select some color. I think gray would be fine. Click on OK. Once again OK, and you can see the result. So it is also including 53 and the maximum number, that is 238, and between numbers we have 58 and 58. Now, so the use of equal to is also same, like if you want exact number, you can just choose to equals to and select any number, and here the number got highlighted. So let's explore the most important option, that is contains. So let's take a scenario. If you have a thousand of row in a spreadsheet, and if you need to find a name, for example, here if I want to find Shubham in this list, so it is a short one, but if you take the long scenario, just click or select the list, click on text contain. Here if I give Shubham or the short of it, and I want to highlight this from the, I would red border, I think that would be fine. Click on OK. I guess it is not visible. So once again select the list, click on text contain. For example, that much I know from the name. And if I want to highlight this with some color, I think that would be fine. Click on OK, and you can see from this list Shubham got highlighted. Next option is duplicate value. So as of now in this list we haven't any duplicate name. Okay, so let me change it. So let's control C to Robin, replace Raghav for, yeah, Rahul. Control C, Control V. So now you can see we have some duplicate value, and if we want to highlight this duplicate, so as of now we have only 9 rows, right? But when you will work in the actual project you have thousands of rows and columns. So in that, if you want to find out the duplicates value, just select the series, click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and the last option is duplicate value. Click on it. So whatever duplicate, you can also define some rules over the last option. I will also let you know about that. First, click on the custom format, and I want to highlight from the, yeah, dark color will be fine. Click on OK and see the results. All the duplicates value, all the text are here. So it is a part 1 of the conditional formatting. We are going to explore it more in our upcoming videos. So if you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.